Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Kids for Magic World. Friends, today's topic is Essay on Green India Mission in English. Green India Mission, a vision for sustainable development. India, a land of diverse ecosystem and rich biodiversity, faces significant environmental challenges in the 21st century. Rapid industrialization, urbanization, and agricultural expansion have placed immense pressure on its natural resources and ecosystem. In response to these challenges, the Government of India launched the ambitious Green India Mission with the vision of sustainable development and conservation of biodiversity. This essay explores the objective, strategies, challenges, and achievement of the Green India Mission, highlighting its importance in shaping India's environmental future. Objective of Green India Mission. The primary objective of the Green India Mission is to enhance ecosystem service, including biodiversity, water, biomass, and carbon sequestration through a landscape approach. This mission aims to first, conservation of biodiversity. Protect and conserve India's biodiversity, rich areas including forest, wetlands, and coastal and marine ecosystem. Second, enhance forest cover. Increase forest and tree cover to improve carbon sinks and support biodiversity conservation. Third, enhance ecosystem services. Improve the provisioning of ecosystem services such as clean air, water, and soil fertility. Fourth, sustainable livelihood. Promote sustainable livelihood for forest-dependent communities through afforestation and agroforestry. Strategies implemented under Green India Mission. The Green India Mission adopts a multi-pronged strategies to achieve its objective, involving various stakeholders including government agencies, local communities, and non-governmental organizations (NGOs). Key strategies include: first, afforestation and reforestation. Promoting afforestation and reforestation activities to increase the forest cover and enhance biodiversity. Second, biodiversity conservation. Implementing measures to protect and conserve biodiversity hotspot and endangered species. Third, improving ecosystem services. Enhancing the quality and quantity of ecosystem services such as water availability, soil fertility, and carbon sequestrations. Fourth, capacity building. Building the capacity of stakeholders, including forest departments, local communities, and NGOs to actively participate in conservation efforts. Fifth, policy support. Formulating and implementing policies and regulations that support sustainable forest management and biodiversity conservation. Sixth, research and development. Encouraging research and development initiatives to innovate sustainable practices and technologies for biodiversity conservation. Challenges faced by Green India Mission. Despite its ambitious goal and comprehensive strategies, the Green India Mission faces several challenges that hinder its effective implementation. First, resource constraints. Limited financial resource and funding pose a significant challenge to scaling up afforestation and conservation efforts. Second, land use conflict. Conflict over land use between conservation priorities and developmental activities such as mining and infrastructure development. Third, climate change. Increasing impact of climate change, including erratic rainfall patterns, heat wave, and drought, affecting the survival and growth of newly planted tree. Fourth, policy implementation. Delays in policy formulation and implementation at the ground level due to bureaucratic hurdles and administrative inefficiencies. Fifth, community participation. Limited participation and involvement of local communities in conservation activities, affecting the sustainability of initiatives. Achievement of Green India Mission. Despite the challenges, the Green India Mission has made significant strides towards achieving its goal. First, increase in forest cover. India has seen a consistent increase in its forest and tree cover over the years, contributing to enhanced carbon sequestrations and biodiversity conservation. Second, biodiversity conservation. protection and conservation efforts have resulted in the preservation of critical habitats and the revival of endangered species. Third, sustainable livelihood. Afforestation and agroforestry initiative have provided sustainable livelihood option to forest dependent communities, reducing their dependency on forest resource. Fourth, policy reforms. The mission has influenced policy reforms and regulatory framework to support sustainable forest management and biodiversity conservation. Fifth, international recognition. India's effort under the Green India Mission have gained international recognition for fostering partnership and collaboration for global environmental sustainability. Future direction and conclusion. Looking ahead, the Green India Mission must address its existing challenges while leveraging its achievement to scale up conservation efforts and achieve its long-term objective, emphasizing community participation, enhancing financial investment, integrating climate resilience, and leveraging technological advancement will be crucial for the mission's success. In conclusion, the Green India Mission stands as a testament to India's commitment to environmental sustainability and biodiversity conservation. By fostering partnerships, leveraging technology, and empowering communities, India can pave the way towards a greener and more sustainable future for generations to come. The journey towards a green India is challenging but essential, requiring collective efforts and determination to preserve our natural heritage and secure a sustainable future for all. Thank you friends for watching my video. Friends, I hope you like my video. Friends, if you like my video, so please subscribe, share and comments. Bye friends.